In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest a trading strategy on Tradingview. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview. Choose the market and time frame you care about. Say, a daily chart for swing trading or a 5-minute chart for intraday testing. Your backtest runs on the historical data in the chart, so it helps to zoom out and make sure you've got enough price history loaded to get meaningful results. This context matters because strategies can behave very differently across time frames and symbols. Next, add a strategy. Click the Indicators button at the top. Go to Technicals, then Strategies. Here you can select a built-in option like the Moving Average Crossover, which is great for demonstration, or explore community scripts if you want something more specialized. Once you add a strategy, you'll see its signals plotted on the chart entries, exits, and sometimes labels or lines so you can visually confirm how the logic behaves on your chosen market. Now look to the bottom of the screen for the Strategy Tester tab. Tradingview automatically generates a detailed report as soon as a strategy is applied. Open it to see an overview with key stats such as net profit, percent profitable, profit factor, and maximum drawdown. You'll also get a performance summary with deeper metrics, plus a list of trades showing each entry and exit, profit or loss, and how the equity curve evolved over time. Use this information to spot patterns such as long losing streaks, periods where the strategy excels, or times when volatility hurts performance. From here, fine-tune your test to better reflect how you'd actually trade. Click the gear or settings icon on the strategy's name. Adjust parameters like initial capital so the test mirrors your account size. Set commission to a realistic figure for your broker or exchange, since even small fees can change results. Choose an order size that matches your style, fixed quantity, or a percent of equity so position sizing is consistent with your plan. Many scripts also expose additional inputs defined by the author. Tweak these carefully and watch how the report updates in real time. As you iterate, keep your changes realistic. Check the results after each adjustment, and consider how the strategy behaves across different time frames or symbols by switching the chart. Backtests are estimates, not guarantees, but they're a powerful way to compare ideas quickly and focus your effort where it counts. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.